Alright guys, today I've got carrot cake. Alright, sounds boring, doesn't it? No, look, this carrot cake's actually my wife's favourite cake. It's actually really moist, not dry at all, with a cheese cream, Philadelphia cheese cream icing. Delicious cake. I guarantee you, if you make it at home, you'll thoroughly enjoy it. Okay guys, let's do it. Okay guys, we start off basically with our 4 eggs. Just beat them for a little bit, and to that we have our brown sugar and white sugar that we're going to add to the eggs. We can now add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Okay, to that, we're actually going to add our 1/2 cup of sunflower oil, our jar of apple sauce, our 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and we can also add the baking powder and baking soda. Just put that on. Mix again, just slowly. Okay guys, now it's time for the flour. So we'll put about 1/2 in. Just mix that slowly. Our cup of sultanas go in. And also the cup of almonds. So I've actually got 2 cups in here. I need the other cup for something else which I'll show you later. Okay, now our 4 cups of carrots are going to go in. just let that mix just for a minute or so. Make sure everything mixes well together. Just make sure that carrot doesn't go everywhere. I'll just give that another stir just to make sure the ingredients are nice and mixed. Okay guys, that's the base of our cake. So now we get our baking tin and off we go into the oven. 28 centimetre baking pan, and basically I've just got parchment paper laid and I've sprayed it with a cooking oil so it won't stick. Basically you just pour your cake mixture in. There we go. Alright guys, so 175 for about 45 minutes. And we're cooking guys. While the cake's cooking we can do our icing. It's a pretty basic icing. We're using 500 grams of Philadelphia cheese, 2 cups of icing sugar, and a couple of caps of vanilla extract. Okay, so it's very basic but yet delicious. So just unwrap our cream cheese. Now you want your cream cheese at room temperature so it softens up. Turn that up a little bit. Icing is beautiful. Now I'll pop that in the fridge until the cake's ready and cool. And the cake is done. Now, just to check, poke a stick, comes out clean, cake's done. Alright guys, our cake's cooled down. So this part you don't need to do, but to neaten it up, we're just going to cut the top off so we've got a nice flat surface. So just go through here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice. It's delicious. It's a simple icing, but it's actually delicious. It's cream cheese and icing sugar. Just evenly spread. spread it out. Just to finish it off, I grab some of that crushed almonds that I had left over, sprinkle it over the top, and done. My lovely wife has smelt carrot cake.
From a mile away. This whole thing's for me, yes.
It's her favourite cake.
Oh my goodness.
Someone's happy.
Every time you make it, it seems to get a little bit better. Amazing.